Today we're going to talk a little bit more about lighting. I did a previous video on that Tan Baby 3-panel LED screw-in light up there, which brightened up this garage quite a bit. But it's up top, shining down, so when you're working under the hood, well, the hood blocks that light. If you're inside the car, well, the roof blocks the light. If you're under the car blocks the light. You can only do so much. So you need a light, a work light to get in. There's some like the hanging lights, different things like that. And so today we're going to talk about the one I decided to get. We're going to unbox it, check it out, see how it works. And let's just cut to the chase here. So what I got is this Neiko rechargeable LED work light. And it's actually a bar. And it's got little hooks on each side, so you hook it under the hood, using the roof pillars to get in the car. You can just hook it different places. And I got it because there's no wire. And when I've been working on a car, I've used other lights with wires and they just always get in the way. So this was a little bit more expensive. This cost $90 and I'll link to it below. But let's go ahead, unbox this really quick. Let's see what we get. The box. We got our little light sheet, you know, stuff. Boom. All right, let's get all this stuff out. Oh my gosh. I'm guessing this is, because these are like little hook things. There's actually a couple types, so we'll find what that's for later. Guessing maybe the plug. Yep. It's your basic AC adapter plug. And let's take a look at the light itself. Oh yeah, so there's like grease spots or something on there. So there's the LED strip. That looks like that's going to be bright. Okay, so this just kind of hooks on. So you can actually, that's pretty cool. You can take this out, sort of like a lightsaber. That's where it plugs in. A two-handed lightsaber, a blocking lightsaber. Ha! All right. That's good, so you can change the angle of it, turn it around, and then these. So these are spring-loaded. So there's no attachment, no screwing, no tightening or anything. Just straight up stick it out and we'll put it on. Let's see, how long does this stretch out? That stretches out pretty far. Okay, so the one side you've got the plug. The other side you have power switch, so you have a off into the center, 1 and 2. So apparently according to this, there's a high mode and a low mode. High mode, it can run for 3 hours. Low mode can run for 6 hours. So it takes about 4.5 hours to charge. Let's see what kind of charge this comes with out of the box. Whoa, that's bright. That's low. Let's go high. Oh wait, maybe that's low. No, looks about the same to me. All right, let's go ahead and throw this under the hood, see what we see. Now I've done a video and I did the catch can, and man, being black, you couldn't see anything I was doing. And you could hardly see anything I was doing before, so I've had to put lights in here and they all sucked. So that's why, big reason why I got this. Okay, so I actually went away and let this charge up for a few hours, make sure it's fully charged. So let's go ahead and try it out, see where we're at. So we got 1 brightness. Whoa, that is bright. 2 brightness. So this looks like a little bit, yeah, this is definitely high, this is low. Sorry if I'm looking away because it is bright. Most commonly where you'll use it is on your hood. So let's go ahead and put it on here. And this is a padded material, so that'll keep it nice and safe. And just extend that out. And there we go. And let's just turn it on. And that looks like it's probably low. Off. Oh yeah, and this is high. What's nice is you can actually turn this inside the clips. So that's turned out this way. Man, that is beautiful. That is nice. I can see how dirty the engine is. I didn't wash the engine when I washed the car. Had I had this when I did the catch can, you'd actually be able to see what I was doing. But here's the other cool thing. So we have these clips when we unboxed it, and I just looked them up. So we have a couple. Now these are just the same clips. They're in this holder bar. It looks like they're just replacement ones in case they break or something. But now this is really cool. It has these other clips and they're magnetic. Now, unfortunately, actually fortunately, Challengers have an aluminum hood, so we are not sticking that to there at all. It's a good thing because that means this hood is really lightweight. Where metal would be heavier, and you know how I am about weight. But it does stick to metal. So if you have a metal hood, let's go in the light. You could just slip these on, just like that, and then go to your hood, and then just magnets will hold it on there so you don't have to even deal with this thing. You know what? Let's try this. We have exposed metal in the door. Look at that. You could use this as a door light. How cool is that? Check it out. Actually, that's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead, put this back in here. Okay, right now you probably can't see, it's a little bit dark. Look at that. Stick it over there. Stick it right there. So now when we're working in here, turn it on. There we go. Man, this is nice. You see, I already got my seats pulled out. This is gonna come in very handy. Let's point it that way. I got some stuff in the trunk. I gotta take that storage. So my next weight reduction video I'm gonna do is we are gonna remove these trim panels, some seat belts and all that. That's coming. So I was waiting to get this light in so that I could see what I'm doing and you guys can see what I'm doing. And let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. What do you use for a work light? Do you like it? I like it so far. I think it's going to come in handy. It's going to be great. I love it. There's no wire. And again, I'll link to this in the description, so if you want to pick one up, go for it. Again, it's 90 bucks. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.